Okay, you guys, this is just being me, Mrs. D. Today I'm gonna try to cook me some turkey wings. This was four is in here, and I think they're just wings. They're not the big drumstick. But so I'm gonna ready to try this. And see how they turn out. I'm putting these in the air fryer, y'all. You know I love my chicken wings in the air fryer, so I'm ready to do the turkey wings in the air fryer. First of all, I'm gonna wash them off real good and clean them up real good, and then I'm gonna sprinkle them with some olive oil, and I'll be back after I wash them up real good. Okay, I got the oil. I got the oil on this. I'm gonna cut this off. I don't want this up there. So I'm gonna cut that off. So I'm gonna come back. Yeah, I'm gonna cut that off. I don't want that up there and my where they already oiled down. And then I'll be back after I cut these little pieces off. I don't like these little stringy pieces, so I'm gonna cut them off. I kept my tips up there, y'all. I want them to get crispy. I love gnawing on the little tips. Okay, now I'm ready to season. You can season the way you want it. However you like your season. But today I'm gonna do garlic with mine, garlic powder. So I'm gonna sprinkle a little garlic powder on both sides. Not much. I don't want much, but garlic. They say garlic is good for you. Good for your body, y'all. And then I have some lemon pepper. Y'all know I love my lemon pepper. I love my chicken wing with the lemon pepper. So this is what I'm going to do. If you hear noise, it's just one of my children out there is making a little noise for me. So I got that up there. So we're going to do a little seasoned salt. It say chicken seasoned salt, but we're going to put it on our turkey. So we're going to see how it turned. Y'all want to just do a mix a whole lot of flavor together and see how it come out. And you rub it in there. Make sure you got it seasoned up real good. And then a little porquito. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but I'm going to put a little. You know what? I never tried this on my turkey. So this is the first time I'm trying this on my meats that I cook. All right. I'm going to put, after we finish with this, I'm not putting no salt. I'm not putting no pepper. But right now, this is what my turkey wings look like. So I'm ready to put them in the air fryer. Okay, y'all, now I'm about to lay my turkey wings, and I put rental wrap over here. I hate cleaning my rack, so I'm going to place these up here like this, and we're ready to move them to the air fryer. All right, now they're going into the air fryer, and let's start this, and we got it at 15400. I'm going to bring the temperature down some. Bring my temperature down some. Let's go. I'm gonna say 375. Talking about 8. I'm sorry, y'all. Okay, 15 minutes, but we're gonna carry our time up a little bit. So let's carry our time up to, let's do 30 minutes. And what I'll probably come back in and change it, turn it around, y'all. I will come and turn them over. So we got 400. So I hope that temperature ain't gonna stay. No, I want my temperature at 375. Let's do it at 375. So here we go, y'all. Here we go. We're going to start this up, and we'll wait until they get finished. Okay, y'all, this is how they look. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn them over. They look good. Oh, I ain't know I can cook some turkey wings like this. So I'm going to turn them. I love turkey wings. Y'all know I went to the, I forgot, oh, Stampede. And we had a Stampede, and they was selling them old big old drums. You know, the leg parts of the turkey, the leg part of it. They was selling them, and they was selling them for $20. Ooh, I wonder how much I can get for these. 46, 80. Ooh, I made $80, y'all, if I was selling. But y'all, I was just playing. But I ain't selling these. I'm gonna be eating them myself. So y'all, I'm gonna put them back in there probably about 15 more minutes, and y'all, then my turkey wing will be ready. All right, y'all, my turkey wings are finished. This is what you call turkey wing in the air fryer. Wow, they turned out, oh my God, they look delicious. They look delicious. This is my dinner, y'all. It didn't even take me 30 minutes to prepare this. So, y'all, if you like turkey wings in the air fryer, or if you like this idea, just try and then put a message down to me to tell me how yours turned out and what season you use. So, y'all, don't forget to live, laugh, and just be happy. And I'm going to enjoy these wings. Out, y'all.